100 daily use English sentences for beginners. 1. Absolutely. 2. Absolutely impossible. 3. All I have to do is learn English. 4. Are you free tomorrow? 5. Are you married? 6. Are you used to the food here? 7. Be careful. 8. Be my guest. 9. Better late than never. 10. Better luck next time. 11. Better safe than sorry. 12. Can I have a day off? 13. Can I help? 14. Can I take a message? 15. Can I take a rain check? 16. And I take your order. 17. Can you give me a wake-up call? 18. Can you give me some feedback? 19. Can you make it? 20. Can I have a word with you? 21. Catch me later. 22. Cheer up. 23. Come in and make yourself at home. 24. Could I have the bill, please? 25. Could you drop me off at the airport? 26. Could you speak slower? 27. Could you take a picture for me? 28. Did you enjoy your flight? 29. Did you have a good day today? 30. Did you have a nice holiday? 31. Did you have fun? 32. Dinner is on me. 33. Do you have a room available? 34. Do you have any hobbies? 35. Do you have some change? 36. Do you mind my smoking? 37. Do you often work out? 38. Do you speak English? 39. Don't be so modest. 40. Don't bother. 41. Don't get me wrong. 42. Don't give up. 43. Don't jump to conclusions. 44. Don't let me down. 45. Don't make any mistakes. 46. Don't mention it. 47. Don't miss the boat. 48. Don't take any chances. 49. Don't take it for granted. 50. Don't worry about it. 51. Easy come, easy go. 50. To enjoy your meal. 53. Easier said than done. 50. For first come, first served. 55. For here or to go. 56. Forget it. 57. Forgive me. 58. Give me a call. 59. Give my best to your family. 60. Have him return my call. 61. Have you ever been to Japan? 60. To have you finished yet? 63. Have you got anything larger? 64. Have you got that? 65. Have you heard from Mary? 66. He is in conference. 67. Help yourself, please. 68. Hold your horses. 69. How can I get in touch with you? 70. How do I look? 71. How is it going? 72. How late are you open? 73. How long did it last? 74. How long will it take me to get there? 75. How much is it? 76. How often do you eat out? 77. I apologize. 78. I appreciate your invitation. 79. It's time for dinner. 8. I bet you can. 81. I can manage. 82. I can't afford it. 83. I can't believe it. 84. I can't resist the temptation. 85. I can't stand it. 86. I can't tell. 87. I couldn't agree more. 88. I couldn't get through. 89. I couldn't help it. 90. I didn't mean to. 91. I don't know for sure. 92. I enjoy your company. 93. I enjoyed it very much. 94. I envy you. 95. I feel like having some dumplings. 96. I feel terrible about it. 97. I feel the same way. 98. I have a complaint. 99. I have nothing to do with it. 100. I haven't the slightest idea.